Am I turning my face away from the truth, or am I facing towards the truth and doing the real work? Ultimately, we all have to turn the fingers at ourselves and do the work. And the work is dismantling the mind. Dismantling the mind is the only way to head back to the plain sight truth. Dismantling takes us to the emptiness. And that when you reach the emptiness, that's what we are. You are the consciousness, and the nature of the consciousness is pulsing, conscious, and at the same time empty. So your nature is empty. And to get to that, what we need is to empty ourselves, not to hold a credential and experience, and not to hold the visual effect that you go through in your spiritual path. Those spiritual experience of mystical experience, the visualization, yes, can be a inspiration. However, those experiences still not true, because truth is simple, it's not complex. And especially when when the experience is above the mundane, when people go through those experiences, it's easy to get lost in the experience. People become the spiritual junkies. Just like we see the addicts, right? Drug addicts, they are, lost in their own world through substances. And they seek for more and more just to ignore the reality, living reality, and their own reality, which is the plain sight truth, lost in a different kind of freedom. And people who are in the spiritual path are also lost because of the spiritual addiction. Meditation has become the addiction. That's the reality right now. People are doing meditation, sitting in the meditation and doing an hour